So you're out of socks.
I know I needed socks because I would have been grossed out at my feet.
Alright, and then the mom.
Okay.
Wait, scoot back. Get on my way. Get on my way.
Ah, shoot.
I got it, dude. I've been getting it.
It's like 0 degrees. You just have to go up again.
Mom, you have to do it. We'll lower the time.
30 seconds.
Okay, we're lowering the time, alright?
It's not very long.
It's already past 30 seconds, okay? Jazzy, get out of the way. Jazzy, move.
You guys have to make it close. No,
You guys gotta make it close. Mom, just go.
Okay.
You guys are gonna get in the way. You guys are all up in the way. Come on now.
I can fit. Let me do it. I like this stuff.
She's in.
Can I do it?
Go for it, dude.
I want to fit. You're not even cold.
I need something on my feet.
No, you don't.
Alright.
Rosemary.
Dude, it's cold in here.
It won't even fit with you. Nope.
Alright, dude.
It's really cold in here. Let me out. Oh God, who sat on it?
Jazzy. Who's next?
Oh God.
Fit in there?
My feet are freezing.
Cold.
It's just my feet.
Oh my God. All our sensors are on our hands and our feet.
Look how small she is. You sat on it. Yeah, see, that's what I did. Hi.
You gotta let me out though when I called us to get out. Cause I did.
Get in.
There's no way.
I'm so hot right now. I could probably go in there. Go down. Just stay there. Just stay there. Just stay there.